Using a cleaning solution, make sure your door sill is nice and clean. Make sure to get rid of all the dirt and grime. Spray both your hands with the install solution until wet. Spray the door sill area. Spray the door sill piece on the outside as well. Peel and spray the inside too. Gently align the door sill PPF. Take your time. If it dries out, spray more install solution. Using one hand to hold the piece in place, use the other hand to squeegee from the middle to the upper part. Always go towards the edges. Squeegee from the middle to the lower part next. Now squeegee side to side and work your way towards the outer edges for the corners until all soap is squeegeed out. Give it one last squeegee from one end to another. Use a clean microfiber to wipe the soap away. Wait at least 24 hours to wash or step on your door sill. This will help ensure that it bonds.